I am not an expert model builder by any stretch of the imagination, but that's kind of the thing with model railroading is you have to be a jack of all trades because model railroading is a super hobby that incorporates a lot of different things from a lot of different hobbies into it. So over the next few videos, I'm going to be going over my techniques, tips, and tricks for building really good looking model buildings, including how to build them, how to paint them, and how to weather them. I do these all the time for all my buildings. They're super easy, and I'm sure you're gonna love them. Welcome to Jimmy's Trainworks. Let's get started. My techniques do not require a ton of specialized tools or specialized equipment or gear or materials. These things are readily available either at your local craft shop or online. So let's go ahead and hop into this. We're going to be building an HO scale design preservation models kit today. Design preservation models kits have been around for a very long time. They are a staple in model railroading, at least in HO and N scale, and they're some of the most commonly seen buildings that you will see on a railroad. Now, they're fairly simple kits to build, but as you can see with some of these, they do come with some flashing from the injection molding, and they have a few other things such as the little spots where little tear-offs from where the injection molding was done. So the first thing that we need to do is I grab my nippers and we need to go ahead and get rid of as much of the flashing and excess material from the injection molding process as possible. And there's going to be a decent amount on all of these kits. I have yet to get a design preservation models kit that doesn't have this, and I have built dozens of these kits in my model railroading journey. Now the next thing you need to do is we need to do some sanding. We're going to do some sanding later on, but this board that you see right here is literally just a sheet of 120 grit sandpaper stapled onto a flat scrap board. And what I'm doing right here is I'm sanding the backs of these smooth. So they have little holes in them from the injection molding as well, and the holes are a little raised up and have little protrusions. So I'm trying to get it as smooth as possible while I am sanding these, just to get any of the imperfections out as well. So I'll run the backs of these pieces along this, and then once I have done that, I can do a little bit more sanding.